In this part, we are going to add the manifest file to our Progressive Web App. So inside here, in the root folders, we create a new file called manifest.json. And what is manifest? Inside this website, it already described that the manifest is to tell the browsers about your Progressive Web App, about how to behave when installed on the desktop or mobile device. The manifest file should be include the app names, icons, and also the URL. So here is a sample file, and we copy this one, and then we paste to our JSON file. And since we should not have the same name as the sample file, so we change this to my contact. This is the short name, so this should be my contact. And the name is my contact. And we do not have any descriptions. And also the start URL should be this index.html file. So this is index.html. And the background color, we use this as background color, so we use the color picker, and then we get this code, and then we paste here. And the theme color, we usually use a darker one, so we copy this and paste this here. Now actually, we can see the background color is this one. This is the finished app that when we open, it has a splash screen. And this is the background color. And the theme color actually is this top bar. And also the icon. And we have to change this icon later. And we do not have any shortcut, so we can delete this away. And we also can delete this scope. This page standalone, which means it opens like an app without a browser address bar. So now we are going to add the icon, and we can close this. Now we have 5 different sizes. So first we are going to change the path, and then we also delete this one, and then we paste it 4 times. Have to go to the top and link to our manifest. So we link, and then this is manifest, and then this is manifest.json. Now we copy this and go to each page. On the top, we link this manifest. At last, we save all, and if we go to our developer tools, and then go to the applications, now you see there are theme colors, background colors, and there is something wrong here. This is because we add the S here, but actually the icon file do not have the S. So we delete all the S. And also we have forgot to add the folders in between, so we need to add back the icons. Now we save it, and back to our manifest. You can see it already display the icons and also the theme colors and other details.